Are you looking for ways to make sure your hair is growing in as healthy as it can be and retain the length that you grow? Well, stick around. I'm going to give you my 5 game-changing tips for length retention and hair growth. Hey guys, Karen with Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House product line and the Curl House Academy, Let's Get Growing program. And today we are going to be talking about some game changers. Yes, these are things that I have incorporated into my healthy hair growth and retention regimen that have really helped me to maintain healthy hair over the years. Now, I know I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I know I studied this stuff. However, I am still a woman. I am an aging woman, and things have changed within my body that has affected my hair. So I too have had to switch some things up to really maintain the health of my hair, to really maintain the growth of my hair and my length. And that is what I am going to share with you today. Now, you all know at Curl House, we grow differently. So we take a different approach to healthy hair growth. So I'm going to give you these tips. Most of them relate to what you do to your hair. However, because we grow differently, you know where we have to start on the inside, because healthy hair grows within. I want you all to start thinking about your hair as an extension of your body. So when we're thinking about growth and length retention, I first want you to think about what's going on within. And that leads me to my very first game-changing tip for healthy hair growth, and that is collagen. Now, I already said that I am a maturing woman. Are you? Well, if you don't know, as you age, you start to lose collagen. And collagen is a protein. It's amino acids. Guess what your hair is made of? Protein. So if you are losing collagen, then that is affecting your hair. Collagen is actually the most abundant protein within your body. And as we age, because we're losing collagen, it not only affects our hair, it affects our skin. So collagen reduction is what contributes to the wrinkles you may see, the lack of elasticity. It causes your scalp to age as well. And that affects the quality of your hair and the growth of your hair. So I want you all to consider your collagen intake as game changer number 1. Now, it's best to get collagen from foods or foods that's high in collagen, such as fish, such as vitamin C type foods like citrus fruits and oranges. You can also get it from plants like green leafy vegetables. But you want to know where I get it from? I get it from bone broth. I drink bone broth pretty much every day. Bone broth is high in protein. It's high in collagen. It's excellent for your body. It's excellent for your hair. Now, if you are someone who is absolutely not interested in bone broth, you can also get it in a pill form, but I recommend a powder form. Hydrolyzed protein makes it easy for your body to absorb, so you have to be mindful of what type of collagen you get. I'll make some recommendations of some hydrolyzed collagen protein powders that you can add to your morning coffee if you want. You can add to your smoothies. You can put a little bit in water, because many times, again, it's very easy to absorb and be digested by the body in the hydrolyzed form, and it doesn't really taste bad. So collagen. Another thing that I want to share with you all. Do y'all see these nails? You all, I have long, thick, strong nails. Again, I have increased my consumption of bone broth, and I have noticed a difference not just in my hair, but also in my nails. So yes, all right, y'all, that's game changer number 1. Incorporate collagen. Now, the second game changer for me, something that I've been doing for the past few years that has really helped me to retain my length and keep my hair fabulous, and that is doing a Prepoo. A Prepoo is something that you do before you shampoo. So before you shampoo your hair, Prepooing your hair is applying a penetrating oil, for example, to your hair 1 to 8 hours before you shampoo. Now, my favorite penetrating oil is babasu oil. I love this stuff. And my newest incorporation is botana oil. You all, botanical oil is also excellent for pre-pooing, and it's excellent for other things as well. But botanical oil is great for a pre-poo. And side note, make sure you get real botanical oil as well. But with doing a pre-poo, what happens when you wash your hair? Yes, you are stripping your hair of all the oils and the dirt and all the products that you're putting in your hair. But when you shampoo your hair, that also leads to protein loss. So if you are doing a pre-poo, it helps to minimize protein loss. It helps with proper detangling of your hair. When you put this oil in your hair 1 to 8 hours before you shampoo, you will be amazed at how soft your hair feels, how easier it will be to remove the shed hair from your hair, how easier it will be to detangle your hair when you do shampoo it. I tell you all, like I said, I've been doing this for a few years, and I notice on wash day, I have so much less hair that comes out when I detangle my hair. And if you can lose less hair, then you can actually keep the hair that you grow. So that is game changer number 2. Incorporate a pre-poo into your natural hair routine. All right, so since we're talking about shampooing, that actually leads me to game changer number 3. And that is incorporating what I call scrubbing and smoothing your hair. That is a shampoo technique that I'm going to show you in a moment. But I need to bring in Tanika to show you. All right, here's my BFF Tanika. I'm going to show you how to scrub and smooth. When you apply shampoo to your hair, don't do this. Most of us do this. You take your shampoo, you put it in your hand, you put it on your hair, and you just do this. You just slap it all around. That is a mess. That is going to cause you to lose more hair. When you're just doing all of this, that is going to cause your hair to break off, and it's going to cause your hair to get more tangled. And you know, if you have to spend a lot of time detangling, then that is going to cause you to lose more hair. So don't do this with the shampoo. Do this instead. Take the shampoo and apply it directly to your scalp. Remember, shampoo goes on the scalp. Yes, it does travel down the hair shaft, but it goes onto the scalp. After you've applied the shampoo to the scalp, use your fingers and scrub the scalp. So scrub that shampoo into the scalp. Now, if you want to get fancy, you can also use a scalp massager and scrub it that way. But scrub the scalp first. Then after you scrub the scalp, then you want to take the shampoo and gently pull it down your hair shaft in a downward direction. And this is what keeps the hair tangle free. If you are in the shower, that's even better, because if you're in the shower, then of course you can naturally pull the shampoo down in the downward direction. So for me, that has truly been a game changer, even for me, because I don't get my hair shampooed in a hair salon the way I used to. So if you want to keep the hair that you grow, meaning if you don't want to lose all your hair when you're shampooing your hair, make sure you use the scrub and smooth technique. All right, so we're moving on to game changer number 4. So since you shampooed, now we got to move on to deep conditioning. Yes, I said deep conditioning because I am assuming that you already deep condition your hair. You should be deep conditioning your hair. But game changer number 4 is to add a little bit of oil to your conditioner. So if you don't know, most conditioners contain oil, particularly conditioners for our natural hair, because our hair is dry. So most conditioners may contain oil. But what I'm recommending that you do is to add just a little bit of your favorite oil to your conditioner. It can be to a regular conditioner or to a deep conditioner. I just want you to step it up just a notch. So in terms of oil for your hair, our scalp naturally produces sebum. So sebum is that oily or waxy substance. Sebum coats the hair strand with like this lipid barrier around the hair strand. But because our hair is curly, then that sebum can't really travel down our curly hair shaft. So our entire hair shaft may not have that lipid layer around it. And in addition to that, when we wash our hair, with the surfactants and the shampoos that we use, we tend to remove that lipid layer. And that lipid layer is our protective layer around our hair strand. It's the layer that helps us with moisture loss. So when you are doing your deep condition, you can add a little bit of oil. I mean, like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons, depending on how much conditioner you use, to your deep conditioner and sit under the hair dryer for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This is stepping up that deep conditioner. This is a game changer, you all, because when you wash that conditioner out of your hair, oh my gosh, and you put in that extra punch of oil, oh my gosh, you are giving your hair that extra coating of protection. Because if you don't know, I know we talk about sealing in the moisture. I know I talk about it all the time by sealing in the moisture with oil. The first sealant is your conditioner. Did you know that? Yes, conditioner is designed to trap in that moisture. I'm talking about rinse out conditioner. That is the first sealer, your conditioner. So if you want to step it up a little bit, just add an extra punch of oil. This has made a great difference in my hair. My hair feels amazing when I rinse out the conditioner after doing a deep conditioner. So that's game changer number 4, y'all. Step it up with a little bit of oil. Now, the 5th game-changing tip that is going to help your hair to grow and help you to retain length is from steaming. So that's another notch from deep conditioning. Steaming is another level. And I'm not just talking about steaming the hair, I'm talking about steaming the scalp too. So when I go to the hair salon, my hairstylist has a steamer that is literally right at the shampoo bowl that she turns on before she shampoos my hair. And let me tell you why. Steaming is a moist heat. So by taking that moist heat and allowing that moist heat to go directly to the scalp, that increases blood flow to the scalp. So that encourages hair growth. Also, it helps with breaking up the gunk and the stuff and the products and everything that's on your hair. It helps with that as well. So you can steam as you shampoo your hair. You don't have to do it after you shampoo your hair as a conditioner, even though you should. I'm gonna talk about that in a moment, but you can do it before to help encourage growth right at the root. Now, in terms of doing a steam treatment as a deep conditioner, as opposed to what I talked about earlier, a deep conditioner sitting under the hooded dryer. A hooded dryer is dry heat. Steaming your hair is moist heat. So when you do a steam treatment, that moist heat is going directly to your hair. So if you are someone who has, for example, low porosity hair, with low porosity hair, you may have challenges with really getting moisture into your hair because you have low porosity, or so your cuticle layer is lying flat. You should really consider doing a steam treatment as your deep condition. Let that moist heat go directly to your hair. Oh, you will notice a difference in the overall health of your hair. So game changer number 5 is to incorporate steam treatments for your scalp and for your hair. And the steam treatment will keep your hair healthy, keep that hair growing, and you will be able to keep the hair that you grow. So I know in this video, I talked about a lot of products, tools, steam treatments, botana oil, collagen. Again, I will put some of those links below in the description if it's something that you're interested in purchasing. Okay, guys, if you are looking for an amazing product line, if you're looking for an amazing product that will help you to support growth, I encourage you to consider my Curl House Follicle Stimulating Growth Drops. And I'm in the process of relaunching my entire product line very soon. So I encourage you to join the wait list so that you can get a notification when my product line releases. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like the channel so that you do not miss a video in the future. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.